Once again, the market is swinging back to euphoria as many crypto projects are flipping green. We can see a lot of positive price action here for a lot of the blue chip currencies. Look at Bitcoin, we're back to 22k, we've got ETH up 10%, ADA up 5%. Things are looking good. Matic is stealing the show at the moment with a 20% pump to the upside. Now, of course, another one that is doing great today is ApeCoin, as we basically get a bullish reversal back to the $6 price level at $1.8 billion market cap right now. Can this be sustained, or is this just a transient pump to the upside? We're ranked 32. ApeCoin is one of the best metaverse projects you can get your hands on out there today. And look at this craziness, all the way from $5 up to $6 in just a single day. And I want to tell you guys that actually, you're probably not going to like the sound of this, but in my opinion, this is where we want to start selling right now, because I did a video on this a few days ago when we were trading at $4.40. So if anyone did actually like watch that video and buy in at those levels, you're already up 35%. So you should be focusing on taking your profits right now. And you know, looking at some of the indicators here, like the RSI, we are pretty overheated here on the 4-hour time frame. You can see we're all the way up to 82. So we might get a bit of a pullback here. The technical target for me was actually the previous swing high, which is really nice that we've gone through it now at $5.90. But of course, we've broken out of this symmetrical triangle now, so things are starting to look overheated and euphoric, and this is where we start to see the rejections at the resistance levels, because of course in a bear market you do sell the resistance. Okay, so you usually get bumped at the resistance level in a bear market. And in a bull market, you're trading the explosion upon resistance. You're trading the breakout. So of course, it looks really, really nice on the charts today. But the thing is, we still haven't put through a higher high, which would be over at $7.44. So I'm not feeling significantly bullish just yet. But I do think it's amazing to see this huge breakout to the upside. I don't know if we're going to see continuation. I don't have a crystal ball. But all I'm saying is, in my opinion, if anyone did get in around this level, not financial advice, but around this support level, and you're now here, you should be thinking about taking some profits. Not financial advice, but that's exactly what I would be doing, as we've not yet had any pullback on the price here. It's just been a complete explosion. If we do use our fib retracement, we can see that we'd likely come down to the $5.64 or even the $5.36 price level. So that's what I'm seeing here on the 4-hour time frame. Also, we've got the Bollinger Bands. We're extremely overextended on this, which does once again mean that usually we do see a pullback in the price when this usually happens. 1-hour time frame, oops, that's a minute. 1-hour time frame, you can see again we're overextended on the RSI. We don't have a bearish divergence, or do we have a red candle? But I do think you know, we could still see a bit of a pullback here. But ApeCoin is definitely going to steal the show for today. I reckon we're going to see ApeCoin trend on Twitter as well at some point throughout the day as well. Looking at the daily time frame, we're not quite overbought, but of course the perfect time to buy, guys, and I know I say it all over again, and I'm always saying it, is look at your daily time frame, look at your weekly time frame, look at your RSI. Are you oversold? Okay, we're oversold here. Great time to have bought, right? Look at that. If you bought the oversold position, the extreme fear, then you're in a mad profit. What's the point in buying the euphoria all over again and the greed when usually you're just buying a resistance level? You want to be buying a critical support level, at least in my case. So this is why I am looking at ApeCoin today, because I do think, okay, he doesn't want me to look at it anymore. Well, I do think ApeCoin is sitting in a pretty good place, but I think we might see a pullback at least. So what's happening in the markets? Crypto fear and greed. We're sitting at 20 extreme fear. So we're getting that bounce out of the extreme fear, where we had like 6, following Terra Luna FUD, 200-week moving average crash, and the logarithmic chart is telling us that we're back in the blue. So effectively, you could start buying crypto today. Not financial advice, but for the long-term hodl, if you want to grab some crypto, build your portfolio over the long term, then use the link down in my description below for the safest, fastest, and most secure exchange. Just want to say huge thanks to all you guys supporting the channel. I will be here through the bear market. Do subscribe, like, and comment, and let's try to get 4,000 subscribers this week and help me get into the algorithm, which is tricky to say the least. See you soon, guys. Stay crypto safe. Bye for now.